Hello friends, this is PC Mentor, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use Ubuntu Online. It means that there is no need to download any ISO image or porting the USB. By using this feature you will be able to access the complete Ubuntu package like the real desktop, and there is no need to sign in or register any account for using the Ubuntu Online. And the other cool feature is that you can save or open the session, and you can also access the other Linux distribution. So let's get started. So open your Chrome browser and go to your web store, and after that type this and from here you can add this Ubuntu free online Linux server to your Chrome window. So it will take some time. Now here you can access other Linux distribution as well, the K Ubuntu, X Ubuntu, but I'm gonna open the Ubuntu. So it is now loading the operating system. It will take some time, and here we go. So as you can see here, it's a complete like a real desktop that we are using, but actually it's on the server. Now I'm going to change the settings of my mouse. From here I'm going to increase the sensitivity, and here we go. Now I'm going to open the terminal window, and I'm going to check who is the user. Now type who am I, and it will show you on works. Now I'm checking the present working directory, and it's gonna show me the home/unworks. Now I'm going to list all the files in the current working directory, so it lists all the command. Now I'm going to list all the process tree. So for that type this command and hit enter. It will list all the process that is running currently on your Ubuntu. Now I'm going to install a random software, sudo apt/get install VLC. It will ask you for a password. By default the password is 123456.